Hello guys, how are you? I hope and trust that you are all good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want you to know how to detect or identify outliers in SPSS. So when identifying outliers, we first click on Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, and then Explore. So we want to choose the variable which we want to identify the outliers. Let's choose age. On statistics, we'll click on outliers, percentiles, then we click continue. Then on plots, let's click off stem and leaf. So the reason why we click off stem and leaf is we want to identify outliers using a box plot, a box and whisker plots. Let's click continue. And then on options, let's leave it as it is, then click OK. As you can see here, this is the output. As you can see, there's a box and whisker plot here. So the line in the middle of the box, it represents the median, and the line on the upper edge of the box, it represents the upper quartile, and the line on the bottom edge of the box, it represents the lower quartile. So if we subtract the lower quartile from the upper quartile, that's when we get the interquartile range. This line it represents the upper range, and this one it represents the lower range. So as you can see here, these are our outliers. But our outliers, it is represented by a star, either by a star or by a small circle. So an outlier, which this value which is represented by a small circle, this one is an outlier. And then the values which are represented by stars, this one are extreme values, but they are also outliers. But they are extreme values. Why they are extreme values is because they are larger than 3 times the interquartile range. And this one, which is represented by a small circle, its values are between 1.5 times the interquartile range and 3 times the interquartile range, which means it is higher than 1.5 times interquartile range, but it is below 3 times the interquartile range. So if you can look here at this outlier, you can see the 20 which is written. This 20, it represents the row in which the outlier is found. So let us go back to our data sets, the 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So let's go on the row 20. As you can see here, this is 280, which means this one is the outlier. And also 13, the value which is on the row 13, the outlier which is on the row 13, it's 120, which is one of the outlier. And also the value which is on row 24, this one is an outlier, it's a normal outlier. Let's go and see on row 24. Row 24 is negative 20, which means this one is an outlier. So guys, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.